Whenever you're making an electrical repair around the house, it's always important to turn off the power at the main electrical panel. But how do you know the power's off at the circuit you're working on? Well, if there's light in the room, well, that's easy, right? You flip off the breakers, when the light goes off, the power is turned off. But in this case, I'm going to be changing out an outlet that's down the hall near the front door. So I plugged in a trouble light. And now all I need to do is flip off the breakers until the light goes off. These should be labeled, but they're not. So we're gonna just find it this way. There you go, that's number 5. So we know that the breaker number 5 operates that, sends power to that outlet. So now we know that it's off and it's safe to work on. But what happens if you're working on a device, an outlet or a switch that's on the far end of the house or upstairs? What you need is a radio. So you just plug in the radio, turn the volume all the way up so you can hear it, and then do the same thing. Start turning off breakers. There you go. The music just died, and I know the power to that outlet is off and it's safe to work on.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.